Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of mini bikes with a focus on the best Coleman model available in the market. If you're looking to upgrade your ride or replace parts, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the mini bike throttle assembly and throttle cable specifically designed for the Coleman 200cc series. Now, when it comes to mini bikes, reliability and performance are key factors. The Mini Bike Throttle Assembly and Throttle Cable by Ran&Rode promises just that. Whether you own a Coleman Connecticut 200U, MB200, CT200UX, BT200X, or even a Baja Warrior, this product ensures a smooth and comfortable riding experience. Riders who've used this throttle assembly rave about its reliability and comfort. The TPR rubber material not only provides a comfortable grip but also prevents hand numbness during long rides. It's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their bike's control and responsiveness. Now, let's see how easy it is to install this throttle assembly. In comparison to other throttle assemblies on the market, this product stands out due to its combination of quality materials, ergonomic design, and universal compatibility. Plus, with a price tag of just $14.99, it's a steal for mini bike enthusiasts. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a reliable throttle assembly that won't break the bank, look no further than the Mini Bike Throttle Assembly Throttle Cable by Ran&Rode. With its ergonomic design, durable build, and universal fit, it's earned its place as our top pick for mini bike enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the journey.